In today's maritime internet landscape, having high-speed and reliable connectivity is crucial, especially for business users. Low Earth orbit (LEO) satellites such as Starlink, OneWeb, and Project Kuiper have revolutionized maritime connectivity. However, a single LEO sat antenna can have its limitations. Despite its advanced capabilities, a standalone LEO sat antenna can experience service interruptions, particularly in adverse conditions like heavy rain or high satellite traffic. This can disrupt critical applications such as video conferencing and gaming, highlighting the need for a more resilient solution. Combining a 5G system, like the PepWave 5G Max BR1, with LEOsat significantly enhances overall performance. The 5G connection boosts upload speeds when the yacht is within 20 miles of a tower, which is crucial for businesses that frequently upload large files or require stable communication. The MDS Blender plays a key role in this setup by integrating multiple internet sources. It offers reliability and instant failover by switching instantly to the 5G network if the LEOsat connection drops. The combination of LEOsat and 5G through the MDS Blender can achieve speeds of up to 1 gigabit per second, ideal for bandwidth-intensive tasks. It also maintains a US or UK IP address for accessing geo-restricted content and services. Choosing marine data solutions for your LEOsat system provides numerous benefits. With no additional fees, expert installation, and 24/7 tech support, you get a reliable and efficient setup. This approach meets the unique challenges of maritime connectivity, ensuring you stay online effectively and seamlessly. While LEOsat alone is a significant advancement, the combination of LEOsat, a 5G system like the PepWave 5G Max BR1, and the MDS Blender by Marine Data Solutions creates a superior solution. It offers not just connectivity but resilient, high-speed, and seamless internet access, making it ideal for business users and anyone needing robust maritime connectivity.